The excitement surrounding DJI's drone next big release started when a well-known figure in the drone world, Jasper Ellens, also known as X27, dropped hints about a new model expected to arrive by the end of 2025. Known for his accurate predictions in the past, including the launches of the DJI Air 3 South and the original NEO, his recent comments have sparked major speculation about a successor, the DJI NEO 2. DJI has already grabbed attention with the release of its innovative flip drone. While this model is currently making waves, the buzz around the NEO 2 drone suggests something even more compelling may be on the horizon. Touted as a potential upgrade to the original NEO, the NEO 2 is attracting interest from industry experts and creators alike. To get a sense of what the NEO 2 drone might bring, it helps to understand the capabilities of the current NEO. Designed to be both lightweight and portable, the original NEO quickly gained popularity among casual users and content creators. Despite its small size, the drone offers impressive tech recording 4K video at 30 frames per second with a half-inch sensor and a single-axis stabilized camera. One of its standout features is AI-powered tracking. With smart follow modes and advanced stabilization systems, the NEO makes it easy to get smooth, cinematic footage even while on the move. 6 automated flight patterns like drone, rocket, circle, helix, spotlight, and boomerang help users capture dynamic shots effortlessly. Another neat feature is its built-in audio system, which uses your smartphone's microphone to record narration while filtering out the noise from the propellers. This creates cleaner, more professional-sounding videos. The NEO also supports multiple control options ranging from smartphone use to compatibility with several DJI controllers, including the RCN 3 and FPV Remote Controller 3. Safety features like propeller guards, return-to-home functionality, and wind resistance up to level 4 make it suitable for beginners and seasoned pilots alike. Photography-wise, the NEO can shoot 12-megapixel stills and includes 22 gigabytes of internal storage, which is enough to hold about 40 minutes of 4K video. With a max flight time of 18 minutes and USB-C fast charging, it's built for convenience and portability. But here's the big question: should you buy the NEO now, or wait for the NEO 2? If you're in immediate need of a capable drone, the NEO is a solid option. It's packed with the latest DJI innovations, and its compact design doesn't sacrifice performance. But if you're not in a rush, the NEO 2 might be worth waiting for. Speculated upgrades for the NEO 2 include better battery life, improved camera quality, and the addition of omnidirectional obstacle sensors, something the current NEO lacks. These improvements could make flying safer and more intuitive, especially for beginners. Longer battery life, in particular, would be a game-changer for creators needing extended shooting time. That said, new features will likely come at a higher price. If budget is a concern, the existing NEO might still offer the best value for money. But for those who want the newest tech and don't mind waiting, the NEO 2 could be a powerful tool when it arrives. Ultimately, the decision comes down to what you need right now. The NEO is already a strong contender in its category. But if you're someone who always wants the latest and greatest, or if you're simply curious to see what DJI brings next, keeping an eye out for the NEO 2 might just pay off.